How to fix REDnote app not loading. Now there are multiple reasons on why this is happening, and the most common one is not having a secure network connection. Now if you go ahead and open up the REDnote application and it doesn't load, it means that you have a slow connection, making the application unable to load on itself. Now to fix this, you want to navigate through your settings right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. Now if this doesn't work, you can now navigate back to your system settings. From here, you want to make sure that you have the mobile data turned on in order to connect to a stable internet connection. Now right after that, you can now navigate through your app downloader. So if you're using an Android device like myself, you want to navigate through the Play Store, but if you're using something like an iPhone device, you can just navigate through the App Store. From here, we can just make sure that our REDnote application is using the latest version available on the store right here. Now this can go ahead and fix the not loading problem. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.